What's up, everybody? John Jakes is in the house. Well, we're gonna get ready with this workout, so I'm gonna teach you about burning your butt. Okay, so we're gonna come down to the ground. We've got 5 minutes on the clock. So hands directly underneath your shoulders, and you're gonna flex your right foot first, and then you're just gonna bring it in and then extend all the way up. So hold your belly button in towards the spine. Don't move the top part of your body, just your leg. Just your leg.
How am I doing? Am I moving the top part?
I like the style that he has. He has like a little bit of a boom at the top. You can do it nice and smooth and slowly. I like that. See, that is a real magician there, adding your own flair into it. I love it. Okay, so first of all, how long have you been doing magic for?
So I started when I was 6 years old.
Wow.
My parents bought me a magic set for Christmas, totally random gift. And I thought it was the coolest thing. Oh man, it gets harder to talk as you do these.
I don't know, it sounds fine to me.
Yeah. And then I actually turned pro at age 10, so I built the whole show.
What do you mean by you turned a pro magician?
It's based on the number of shows you do and like the caliber of shows. So by by 12 I was doing like over 250 shows a year.
That's insane.
In,
like, are you
Vegas
at school?
And stuff like that. Yeah, I was.
Okay,
most of the shows
next
were on the
exercise, you're
weekend.
just gonna pulse it up at the top.
Okay.
That's it, little pulses.
That I can handle.
No, this is the hardest part. This is really hard, this bit. That's it. So you girls, you know what we're doing. Okay, so are you at school at the same time as you?
Yeah.
What do all your friends
All
think?
throughout school. They thought it was cool. Yeah, most of them.
Yeah, and well, I remember getting a magic set, and I have to ask my parents like where it is because I used to play with it all the time, and I used to watch. Oh, who's the famous? I think they're British. Yes, you were about to say it.
On TV?
Yeah, they were on TV. Yeah.
There are two guys?
Yes. Maybe they were American, but I used to watch them all.
Not Siegfried and Roy.
Yes, maybe. I used to watch them all the time on TV with my granddad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I love it. I have to, he used to ask me like, what do I want to watch? And I'd be like, magic shows. It's funny because I've completely forgot about that until I met you. And you know when sometimes you meet someone, you're like, oh, your childhood memories start coming back. Okay, you can relax that down. That hurts, right? Now we're gonna go fire hydrants out to the side, but you're gonna alternate.
Okay.
Woo, yeah. Feels good, right?
Feels great.
Is this like your normal workout?
Yeah, this is what I do at the gym, exactly.
Ooh, you should do it more because when you mix up your body and you do like different exercises, that's why I feel when you get the results.
All right.
So, 250 shows a year at 12.
Yeah.
Like, how much, are you making money?
Yeah,
Yes, yeah. Well, your parents like, let's send him off, send him off.
Let him do his thing. Yeah, my parents are really cool. I mean, super supportive. Like, they drive me to all these shows because I couldn't drive, obviously. And yeah, all the money went towards like saving for my first car and stuff like that. But,
so what was your first car?
It wasn't anything crazy. You know why? I wanted a Mustang.
Yep.
But like I had to get a Toyota RAV4, such a mom car.
Because that's what they told you had to get?
No, because I needed to fit all my show stuff, like the speakers and the bunnies. And
Okay, we're gonna go the other leg, so sweep all the way through. You've only got 2 minutes left. That's it.
We're doing good.
You're doing great. So, okay, so you got a mum car.
Yeah, exactly.
That's brilliant.
That's what all my hard work led to.
So have you done stuff like a bunny rabbit pops out of a hat?
Not out of a hat, but I've done some like the classic stuff, like white doves appearing out of nowhere. I did this one where you take a white ball and you throw it over the audience, and in the air it changes to a dove.
Oh.
And the dove flies around and lands on my finger. So that one was pretty intense.
That's incredible.
And you have to actually like train the bird to do that. It takes like 6 weeks. And then pretty soon like they figure out how to come back to you and all this stuff. So
wow. Like I wish I could like teach Alfie to do that.
Yeah.
My dog will not listen to me for anything. I'm like, hey, come here. Alfie, come here. Okay, last exercise is pulsing up.
All right.
Woo, yeah, no, I can't even get my dog after 10 years to like listen to me. So yeah, that's great. So do you do any shows now?
You know, no shows, mainly on social media.
Why do you not do a show?
You know, it's just, I have other things going on with like internet marketing and things like that.
Yeah.
So I'll perform for select fun things when I want to.
Yes. Do you feel like you got burned out a bit as a kid?
Maybe a little bit. I still enjoy it, but I don't have as much drive to like sit there and learn something for like 5 hours at a time anymore.
Yeah. So how many shows do you think you did in total?
Over 3,000.
Wow, that's incredible. At like 10.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Like all throughout college and stuff.
Okay, we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. How do your glutes feel?
They feel great.
High five.
I wonder how that looked.
It doesn't matter, but I'm really excited because we are doing a podcast together. So make sure that you head on over to It Takes Grit because you're going to be able to find out more information about your story because you're going to be sharing with us like literally how you got started, what you do now, and all your business stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool. So one more time, how can they find you?
Jonathan Jakes, at Jonathan Jakes.
Everywhere, just all the things. And I'm going to put all the details in the description below. Guys, have a great rest of your day. Stay strong, stay fit. See you guys next time. Bye. But you know what? We're going to work out, get that tight booty, perky butt, and then we're going to go into the sun, and work out and show off our physique. Yes, let's keep going.